A little garlic powder on the crust. Yeah, I think maybe because we're hungry, I don't know. Some sweet bell peppers, and go see why this Reels is going viral. Hey y'all, so we are at Target right now. I'm about to go inside and see what this Tabitha Brown collection is hitting for. Let's go in. So I'm getting annoyed because it looks like this Target doesn't even have her collection. I don't see anything separate section for her, and I did not know that. Child, she got so many dang on spreads. I don't know which one to choose. Alright, I'm back in the car, y'all. It's crazy because I thought her stuff would be like kind of mixed in, but she has her own section, so I guess that's pretty good. But I'm about to go to Whole Foods probably, and then, or maybe Aldi's, I don't know, and then from there I'm gonna go home and then fix me some food. So this is almost everything I got from the store, but I'm gonna just run through this real quick. I got some vegan cheddar crackers. I got some mushrooms for my kale pesto pizza I'm gonna make. Obviously pizza crust for that. I have some frozen fruit for some smoothies, some sweet bell peppers. This is for some vegan crab cakes I'm gonna make, some banana, some romaine. I'm gonna pair those crab cakes with the romaine. I got some baking flour for those crab cakes, crabless cakes. Those aren't real, not real crab. Hearts of palm and jackfruit. I'm gonna use these two to make the crab cakes with. And then I got some vintage cola. I got two of these, one for me, one for my boyfriend. And then I got some of this seasoning. I'm probably gonna put this in my crabless cakes. And then from Target, I got some of the vegan dill pickle popcorn. I got some of this pickled okra, which I'm really excited to try this. I chose to get the vegan lemon garlic aioli spread. And then I got a can of chickpeas. I'm gonna put this in my crab cakes as well. I got some salt-free garlic and herb seasoning. Y'all, this pizza is so freaking good. Not even joking. I put a little garlic powder on the crust. Make a little garlic crust and some Italian herbs. Put a little oil, a little dash of oil. Very good. My boyfriend is eating his with ketchup and vegan sausage. Disgusting.
Literally just tomato.
It's still. I low-key want to go out again to see what the other Target has for the Tabitha Brown collection, but then again I'm just like, ain't that serious. I'll get to it when I get to it. We'll probably try some of her popcorn later. I was just too hungry. Like, I had to come home and make me a pizza. It was 1 o'clock when I got home, and all I had was oatmeal for breakfast. So I'm like, gotta make something to eat. And I'll probably turn the camera on later and show y'all me taste testing the popcorn. Oh, and y'all, if you didn't know, one of my reels is doing very, very well. I have 176 views on this one reels, and I'm just like, okay, now hard work. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, go follow me and go see why this reels is going viral. But yeah, I'll see y'all. I'll probably turn the camera on later, and yeah. You don't like pickles?
But these are not bad. I could eat this.
Yeah. I think maybe because we're hungry. I don't know. All right, y'all. We got this popcorn here. The popcorn is a little bit sour. It's a little bit too dill for me. But it's good. Like, the flavor is right on point. Like, if you like dill pickle, you would like this. I'm a dill pickle chip kind of girl. If you know, you know. I really want to try the garlic parmesan and the sweet and salty, so I'll get back to y'all on that one. But for the most part, I give these a 7 out of 10, just because I ain't feeling it too much. Like, I wish they really would have had the garlic parmesan, but y'all garlic parmesan eating ass hoes done went and bought it all up. So for lunch, I decided to make a little salad with Tabitha Brown's vegan lemon garlic spread, as well as her pickled okra. These were the two things that I thought would go good with some vegan Cajun crabless cakes over a bed of romaine. These crabless cakes are made from food processed onions, chickpeas, jackfruit, hearts of palm. I threw some bell peppers in the mix. I also added some seaweed and some Cajun seasoning, as well as some vegan mayo. From there, I just baked it in the oven with a little bit of oil and parchment paper. I honestly just eyeballed the recipe, but I'll let you guys know the ingredients that I used in full detail down in the description box. As far as my thoughts on the vegan garlic spread and the pickled okra, I really loved the pickled okra. It's definitely something that I'll use in other recipes. But as far as the lemon garlic spread, it was a bit rich and I did not like the taste of it. It's not even something I would want to use again. I honestly just prefer vegan mayo, but I did end up using a small tablespoon of it mixed with some vegan sriracha to make the salad dressing for this salad that you guys see here. But like I said, I really didn't enjoy it. But if you guys have the chance to try out her new collection, I really recommend you guys go try it out. She's such an inspiration and such a prominent figure in the vegan community. So I'd like to know your guys' thoughts on some of the items from her collection that I haven't gotten to try yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.